Before I share this information with you, I want you to know that everything I'm about to explain has been verified by professional mechanics who specialize in these issues. I understand that at first it might sound a bit technical, but right after I'll break it down in a way that's easy for you to understand. The hold light is normally related to the transmission hold mode. In other words, it's used to keep a specific gear or range of gears from shifting automatically, giving you more control, especially on slippery roads, steep hills, and similar situations. But wait, don't go just yet. If the hold light is steady, it could simply mean that this mode is activated, either intentionally or by accident. However, if the light is flashing, that usually indicates something is wrong. A transmission malfunction, a faulty sensor, poor communication between modules, or some other issue. In some cases, the flashing happens because the transmission doesn't recognize that it can use that mode. For example, due to incorrect temperature readings, faulty sensor data, and so on. It's also worth mentioning that the hold light often appears along with the check engine light or another error code. Additionally, I found that many owners of cars like the Chevrolet Aveo have shared in forums that when this light turns on or flashes, the transmission won't shift into higher gears properly or get stuck. For example, it won't go into direct drive or fourth gear. Now, here's what you can do to fix it. First, make sure the hold mode isn't activated by accident. Sometimes it's as simple as pressing the button that turns this feature on or off so the light goes out. If the light keeps flashing, you should check the following. For example, if the light is flashing, you should check the following. First, the transmission speed sensor. Second, the hydraulic pressure sensors in the transmission. Third, the engine temperature sensor. Fourth, the MAF sensor. And fifth, the TPS sensor. Any of these components, if faulty or disconnected, can trigger that hold light issue.